Tags and variables allow you to organize subscriber data, including their preferences, location, or purchase history, and leverage it to segment your audience and tailor your customer communication accordingly. In this lesson, we'll break down how to create tags and variables and what sets them apart. A tag is a short text label you assign to subscribers to group them by specific criteria. Tags allow you to filter and segment your audience, helping you send more targeted campaigns. You can assign tags manually to a single contact or multiple contacts at once in the Audience tab, or add them directly in the chat subscriber card. For a more hands-off approach, you can use the Add Tag action in your chatbot flow to automatically assign tags to users as they move through it. When you import WhatsApp contacts from a CSV file, you can map a selected column to tags so they're added automatically. You can also assign tags manually when creating contacts, making it easy to segment your audience from the start. Unlike tags, variables support different data types like texts, numbers, dates, phone numbers, email addresses, and links. This lets you store detailed subscriber information, including location, birthday, and order details, and use it for filtering and segmentation. You can also add variables directly to your messages to personalize them, which is not possible with tags. The Audience tab includes two system variables that automatically store the user's name and phone number and can't be edited or deleted. To create a custom variable, click the button on the right, name it, and select its type, and then click Create. You can add a value to a variable for every contact individually or assign it for all contacts at once. You can also create variables directly in the Flow editor and set them to be filled in automatically for each contact who passes through the selected element. We'll cover this in more detail in the upcoming lessons. For every variable, you can edit or delete its value, show or hide it in the list, rename it, or delete it when it is no longer needed. In your chatbot settings, you can create global variables. They allow you to store predefined values, like your company address or a manager's name, and reuse them across messages for all subscribers. You will see several variables set by default. To add a custom one, click Create Variable, name it, select its type, and add its value. From there, you can use this variable in your campaigns and chatbot flows. To insert the variable, click the curly brackets icon in the top right corner of your message input field and select it from the list. Global variables are marked with a $sign.